Hi Sir Ray, update ko lang po ulit kayo sa one bedroom ng Park McKinley West, 35 square meter. So, ito po siya. Brief ko lang po ulit kayo. So, upon entering, nandito po makikita natin yung intercom na connected sa lobby. So, again, this unit is smart home equipped. Even the door, keycard access na siya and fingerprint na. So, may kasama na siyang 2-burner induction cooktop, soft close cabinet, up and down siya, and then may kasama na siyang range wood for the exhaust. So, sa single faucet naman, kasama na po yan, retractable by Frank. So, granite countertop. And hanggang dito, sir, andito yung ano natin, hanggang dito yung soft close cabinet natin. And this area is provision for refrigerator. So, tara silipin natin yung toilet and bath. So, right here, sir, what you see is what you get naman. Floor to ceiling tiles. Sama na tong lavatory, toilet and bowl, and glass partition, even the shower. So, lahat included na dito. And right here, dito po yung ating living room, which is may kasama ng split type aircon, semi-furnished, kumpleto na rin po yung tiles natin. Ang kailangan nyo lang pong bilhin ay yung dining area, mini table, and sofa. So tara sir, pakita ko sa inyo yung bedroom. So upon entering sa bedroom, sir, kasama na rin po pala itong modular closet. Yan. And then for our bedroom, may kasama siyang split type aircon. And ganito po ka-spacious yung ating bedroom. And then may access tayo sa balcony syempre. Yan sir. And for the view, pipili na lang po tayo kung may available pa sa facing ng amenity or mountain view. So ayun lang sir. Update lang po ulit bago ma-renovate kasi yung showroom namin is scheduled na for renovation. So hangga't nandito pa, pakita ko lang sa inyo. Thank you.